Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you have ever felt overwhelmed by life's constant noise or struggled with finding peace in the present moment, today's book is for you. We're diving into The Power of Now by Eckhart, a transformed book that teaches you how to live fully in the present and let go of past regrets and future anxiety. This book is not about changing our circumstances. It is about shifting your mindset so that you can find peace in every moment, no matter what is happening around you. Stick around because by the end of this video, you will have a clear understanding of how you can embrace the power of present moment in your life. We often identify with our thoughts, but the truth is, your thoughts are just passing mental events, not the essence of who you are. Author explains that to find peace, we need to step back from our constant thinking and become aware of the present moment. For example, have you ever caught yourself overthinking something from the past or stressing about the future? It's like being on a hamster wheel. Tolle's message is simple. You can step off that wheel and just be here now. Tolle introduces a powerful concept called the pain body. This is the accumulation of all the emotional pain you have experienced, and it can show up as negative emotions like anger or sadness triggered by past wounds. When you identify with the pain body, you react to situations from a place of past hurt. But if you can step into the present and observe your pain without judgment, you start to dissolve the power it holds over you. For example, next time you feel triggered by something, try this. Just observe the feeling without attaching a story to it. You'll start to notice the pain loses its grips when you stop feeding it with your mind. In chapter 3, we spent the now is all there is. The core message of the power of now is simple but profound. The present moment is all we truly have. We spend so much time thinking about the past or worrying about the future, but in doing so, we miss the beauty of now. Tolle says that when we fully embrace the present, we experience life as it truly is, without the filter of our thoughts. Think about it. How often do you find yourself thinking about something that happened hours, days, or even years ago, or worrying about what might happen tomorrow? This pulls you out of the present. Instead, practice bringing yourself back to the now. Notice the sounds, the sights, the simple experience of right now. Well, it dives deep into the concept of consciousness, the awareness that exists beyond the mind. He teaches that true peace comes when you can become the observer of your thoughts instead of being consumed by them. This means you don't have to be caught up in every thought that arises. When you notice your thoughts without identifying with them, you open up space for inner peace and stillness. Try this. Throughout your day, pause and check in with yourself. Just observe the flow of thoughts in your mind without judgment. You'll start to realize that you are not your thoughts, you are the awareness behind them. One of the most powerful practices in the power of now is the idea of acceptance and surrender. Tolle emphasizes that true freedom comes from accepting what is rather than resisting it. When you resist the present moment, we create suffering. But when you surrender and accept things as they are, we find peace. This does not mean passivity, it means fighting reality. For example, if you're stuck in traffic, instead of getting frustrated, try accepting the moment. You realize that you can't change it. and that in surrendering to it, you free yourself from the stress of resistance. Ultimately, Toll believes that enlightenment is not some far off goal. It is available to us in every moment. When we stop living in the past or future and fully embrace the present, we tap into a deeper sense of peace, joy, and connection. You don't have to be a spiritual guru to experience this. Just start by practicing mindfulness and being present in your daily life. Whether it is during a conversation, a walk, or even while you are washing dishes, just be there, fully immersed in the moment. The more you do this, the more you will experience the peace that comes from being truly present. And that is the essence of the power of now. The reminder that peace is not something to seek outside of ourselves, but something we can experience in every moment. If there is one thing I want you to take away from this, it is this. You are not your mind, and the present moment is where true peace lives. Which ideas resonated with you the most? Drop your thoughts in the comments below and let's talk about it. If this video helped you, be sure to hit that like button, subscribe for more insights on personal growth, and share this with anyone who needs a reminder to be present. Remember, the only moment you can control is now. So take a long, deep breath, embrace it, and find your peace in the present. See you in the next video.